In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text move in CapCut PC using keyframes. This is one of the easiest ways to create smooth, professional-looking text motion for intros, captions, reels, shorts, and any other video project. Whether you want your text to slide across the screen, move from one corner to another, or follow a custom path, CapCut gives you a simple way to animate it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, look at the top panel and click on Text. This is where all of CapCut's text tools are located, and it's the first step to creating your moving text effect. After that, click Add Text, then type in the words you want to display on your video. You can enter a title, a caption, a callout, or any message you want to animate. Once your text is added, you can drag it on the preview screen to place it where you want it to appear at the start. Next, make sure your text clip is selected on the timeline. This is important because the keyframe controls will apply to the clip you have selected. Now, move the playhead to the exact point where you want the movement to begin. This could be right at the start of the clip, a few seconds in, or anywhere you want the animation to start. On the right panel, find the position setting and click the diamond-shaped keyframe icon next to it. This sets your first keyframe and tells CapCut to remember the current position of your text. Now move the playhead forward to a later point on the timeline. This is where you want the text to end up in its new location. With the playhead at that new point, drag the text in the preview window to its new position. As soon as you move it, CapCut automatically creates another keyframe. That's what makes the text animate from the first position to the second position over time. You can move it anywhere on screen, whether you want it to go up, down, left, right, or even diagonally. If you want the text to move multiple times, just repeat the same process. Move the playhead to another point, change the position again, and CapCut will add another keyframe. This lets you create more advanced motion paths instead of a simple straight line movement. For example, you can make the text start at the bottom, move to the center, and then finish in the top corner. The more keyframes you add, the more control you have over the animation. Once you've placed all your keyframes, preview the animation by playing it back from the start. Watch closely to see how the text moves across the screen. If the movement feels too fast, too slow, or not smooth enough, go back and adjust the keyframes by moving them slightly on the timeline or changing the positions in the preview window. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished the final result looks. You can also combine this movement with other text effects in CapCut, like font changes, shadows, outlines, and animations to make your text stand out even more. But if you're just learning the basics, keyframes are the main tool you need to make text move cleanly and professionally. Once you understand this method, you'll be able to reuse it in almost any project. So that's how to make text move in CapCut PC using keyframes. It's fast, flexible, and perfect for giving your videos a more dynamic look. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.